The question is, can we do such a thing automatically? The answer is yes. We can do so using delta debugging. The idea is as follows. At a given location, we extract the state for the failing run as well as for a passing run. Then we go and compare the states. What we then get is a set of differences between states found in the passing run and states found in the failing run for each single variable. With delta debugging, we can now find a minimal subset of these differences that causes the passing run to fail. This minimal subset then at the given location is the variable that causes the failure.